Right, so I'm going to teach you how to do this move.
Subscribe to my channel. If you don't, you're not a true Bruce Lee fan.
Which is the Sholdercoster. So first of all, the grip. Going into the grip is important, because if you don't have the correct grip, you're going to constantly hit yourself in the hand, hit yourself in the chest. So you need a little bit different of a grip to other moves that you might be traditionally used to, okay? So we're going to start off like this, and how we change the grip, we move our thumb to the bottom and we slide, so we're basically holding two fingers on one side. I'll give you a closer look here. Alright, so when we initiate this, we go back, we go down, and then we switch the grip. So watch. And I'll pop that in slow-mo now. Now, obviously the reason why this is because you're going to hit your hands. So doing this is going to give you enough room. This tutorial is going to be different teaching than other Sholdercoster tutorials, because I have my own specific way of teaching. So we're going to bring this over, right? So the idea, right, is to bring this over. So if you look, it's just over the top of my arm. So what I'm then going to do, okay, is this whole part here that I'm teaching you, we're going to cut out. So you're literally going on your arm to your shoulder to your other arm, okay? What I want you to do now is I want you to bring this towards the front of you, and I want you to throw this back like this, and that's going to look like this. So what happens then is it goes from your arm to your shoulder. So that's pretty much half of the move. Now the rest of the move is basically going like this. So you're going to use your right hand and you're going to bring it up like you're going to karate chop, but you're going to bring it in. What you're going to do is you're just going to budge this over. What's going to happen then, it's going to transition onto this shoulder, much like we started off here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure your arm is lower down to the ground. What you're going to go like this, and what's going to happen, it's going to slide down. You're going to take your hand facing outwards, grabbing a reverse grip, and then you're able to come off it. So how you want to initially take some of them parts off, okay, is you're going to go here, alright, but you're going to use your arm to elbow backwards, much like you're doing like a spinning elbow, you know what I mean? So watch here, I bring this elbow back. See now how it's on my neck, I've completely cut out that catch and throw over, so watch. You wanna pop again. Okay. And with you elbowing backwards, yeah, that's gonna help slide down your arm like that. You wanna keep it more controlled. This one I'm going to have to go like that, but initially you want to get to the point where it literally flows around your shoulder. So that's my tutorial on the Sholdercoster. I hope this helps you learn some awesome moves.
Subscribe and like for more of this shit.